my gosh, we got it, guys! What's up, damn good fam? We are back with a brand new video. We are going to open up today a Gyarados Hidden Fates box. We are on a little bit of a series to open all three of these boxes. So today we're going to open up the Gyarados. Let's get started. And of course, if you're new to the channel, you might not know, I am on the hunt for my first ever Charizard. Since I was a kid, I have never, ever pulled a Charizard card. I've bought Charizard cards, I've gotten promo cards, but I've never pulled a Charizard card out of the box. So, today, we're hoping that this is our good luck. So let's get it open. And again, if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe button. Notification bells will let you know when we post. We're posting every Tuesday and every Friday. First off, we have our gorgeous... Oh no, I thought that was a scratch, but it's not. We have our gorgeous Gyarados, which is my favorite Pokemon. Oh man, that is gorgeous. Let's rip this, because that's how I got the Charizard out. And we have it here. Let's put it in a sleeve. Of course, we don't want this card to get damaged because it is one of my favorite cards ever. And we'll put him right there. And in... Oh, you guys want this. Duh. What are you thinking, Stewie? Here we go. And inside here we have 4 Hidden Fates packs. Ooh, last time I didn't get a Mewtwo, I don't think. My good luck was the shiny Charizard pack, so we'll do that one last. And you know what, I kind of want to open this Mewtwo one first, because I didn't have one last time. So let's hit the packs there. And we are going to go ahead and open this up. Now, before we start, I need you to click that like button and comment good luck in the comments, because we need to pull this card. We can do this. I know we can. Here we go. See if I can get the pack open. I struggle with these Hidden Fates packs. They do not want to open. Let's just open it like Leonhard. And turn it around. Here's your code card. I am so nervous for these guys. We have a Fisty Energy, Misty Cerulean City Gym, Brock's Pewter City Gym, Metapod, Clefairy, Golfing, Voltorb, Cubone, Geodude, Cubone, Reverse Holo, and a holographic Zapdos. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, I love these cards. Let's get that in a sleeve, and we will put it up here with our Gyarados. So far, we are off to a great start, and we will go ahead on our search for the Charizard, because I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it, guys. I know it. Here's your code card, and wish me luck. Smash that like button. And we start off with a Psychic Energy, Farfetch'd, Jinx, Charmeleon, Caterpie, Eevee, Ekans, a Charmander, a Clefairy, reverse holographic, followed by, boom, Erica's Hospitality non-holo. Alright, not as good luck as that first card, but we still have 2 more packs. We can do this. I don't know if you saw, spit just flew out of my mouth. Good thing we're behind a camera, because with all the stuff going around, we don't want that. Next we're going to open up our legendary Pokemon. And this one won't open. the right way, so we will go like this. Okay. And your code, followed by the card trick. And we are going to guess lightning. Ah, Fairy, rest in peace, Fairy. And we have a Jinx, Graveler, Farfetch'd, a Paris, Psyduck, Charmander, Char, Magikarp, Slowpoke, a reverse holo water energy. I love these cards. They just look so good in my binder. If you love these, make sure to comment down below. Let's just collect all these beautiful reverse holos, followed by boom! Oh my gosh, we got it, guys! We got the tag team of Moltres, Zapdos, and Articuno. Look at that beautiful card. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe we just pulled this. Let's hurry up and get that into a sleeve. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. That is just amazing. Alright, so far we have pulled a holographic Zapdos, a tag team Moltres, Zapdos, and Articuno, plus that Gyarados. I really hope that our final pack has something even greater. You know what I'm talking about. That amazing, that great, that super fiery Charizard card that I've never pulled. Let's see that luck in the comments with the good luck. Click that like button, and again, subscribe if you haven't, clicking that bell. And let's do this. Here we go, guys. This is our chance. We are gonna pull a beautiful Charizard out of this pack. I know it. And we're gonna start off with giving you your code. Don't forget to use those, they go quick. And we're gonna start this with a Guess the Energy of Fire. We got a metal one. Okay, Magmar, Charmeleon, Graveler, Coffee, Cubone, Geodude, Slowpoke, Clefairy, Magnezone. Oh, that was our holo. Whoa, what happened? That was so mixed up. Wait a second. How did we get... This pack was confused. Look at this. Look, we got a rare holographic followed by a rare trainer. Bill's analysis. That is... Alright, well, we got 3 holographic. We got 2 holographics and 1 ultra rare. Alright, guys. That was a shocker. Well, again, if you like what you've seen, let's go ahead and go over these cards and we'll talk about what exactly I pulled. And today we got the Magnezone holographic, Zapdos holographic, the promo Gyarados GX card, and the tag team of Moltres, Zapdos, and Articuno GX. I believe it's a full art. Yeah, it's a full art. That's amazing. Comment down below what your favorite pull of this set was. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Click that bell, it'll let you know when we upload. I will be uploading every Tuesday and Friday. So set your watches, set your alarms. Let's meet back up here with a brand new video. Thank you for watching. You can find me at TikTok at Damn Good Stewie, on TikTok at Damn Good Stewie, on Instagram at Damn Good Stewie, and at Team Rocket Sauce, where I open more packs for you. I want to thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you next time with a brand new pack opening. Bye, guys.